Hello and welcome to another episode of Noosa for Sale. I'm Alex Harris and this is the beautiful 157 Lawnville Road, Black Mountain.
Open your eyes to golden light.
This beautiful property has been reimagined and rebuilt from the ground up to create an extraordinary family sanctuary on 10 acres on the edge of Cooroy township. What once was a cute cottage is now an expansive modern home with every box ticked for easy acreage living. This substantial modern Queenslander radiates grace and charm, with character features such as the wood-burning fireplace and standalone gas cooker. The land. A lush 4.2 hectares, which is just over 10 acres of usable land split by a running creek with 2 dams, is suitable for a couple of horses. Bounded by Lawnville and Evans roads and just one neighbour of 24 acres, the land slopes gently from one side to the other with the house on the high side. There is great tree cover to the creek and boundaries with several feature trees dotted about, so the land is easy to mow and maintain. There is a shed workshop just behind a large 2-car carport with an additional 3-bay carport closer to the entrance. A great bore with drinkable water and a biocycle septic. There is a DA pending on a second dwelling on the Evans roadside, and it's all just a 3-minute drive into Cooroy Township straight down Mary River Road. The house. The entire original home is now just the living zone, with a huge kitchen, adjoining dining room and beautiful lounge room with study to the side. There are 4 enormous bedrooms with one above the living zone and 3 others in the new wing and 2 bathrooms. Featuring new flooring, new wiring, new plumbing, new lighting, new fans, new aircon, new roof, new kitchen, new bathrooms and new carport along with a new concrete swimming pool. You absolutely have to come and feel this for yourself. So if this home speaks to you, speak to me. I'm Alex, 0412 635 274.